What's up guys? Welcome to my channel King Leado. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a hole on your tire. You don't have to go to a mechanic. You don't have to go to a tire shop to spend $20. Some other state, other cities it might be more. But in my city, they ask you $20 to fix a hole on your tire. But you can get something like this for like you can get this for, I bought this for like $15 or $16, and then it got like three, five, six, seven, eight. You got like 8 of them strip thing. Okay, so this is the one that's gonna lock the hole for you. And then it got the cream, it got the thing to punch the tire and everything. So $16. So I can fix like 8 holes with this, and it cost me less than $20. Okay, so and then what you're gonna need like a plier. Okay, so now let's go to the car so I can show you guys. So before I even start, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel, share the videos. Okay, there go the car, and let me see if I can see the bad boy to show you guys. All right, there go the bad boy. There go the bad boy. So now, the way I see it, it's gonna be a hard one to do. But I'm gonna need that bad boy. Oh no, it's gonna be hard. Because I will need that bad boy to be around here so I can put it out and do what I have to do. So I need to go a little bit more. Alright guys, I think I got it where I want it right now. There go the bad boy. So now we're gonna see if we can, get it out, which might be a headache to get it out, Then that's the first one we're gonna need. Okay? So now let's see if we can get it out, so you can get it out with this. It's coming out. Actually, it's working, guys. It's working. Now, once you get it out, you gotta put that one right here real quick. Now put it in there. Put it in there, it's gonna go up and down. Make sure you get the whole preprint. There you go. You gotta go up and down, guys. I think we're good now. So we're gonna leave it in there. So now, we're gonna get one of these. Okay, they got short one, they got long one. Okay, but I think I'm gonna go with should I go with a short one? It's a short one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with a short one and see how it goes. Which they might give instruction. The short one probably for, oh no, they didn't give instruction. So I guess you just pick one. And the short ones look bigger. The short ones look bigger than the long ones. But anyway. That thing's sticky, yo. How do you even take that out? I guess that's how you take it out. There you go. Then you gotta put this one inside. Which is sticky still, golly. I guess you gotta force to put it in. There you go. I think I got it. Make sure it's in the middle. Something like this. It's in the middle, right? Then we're gonna get the cream. Okay. Get the cream. Gotta put the cream on both sides. Both sides. Yeah, I think we should be good now. Alright, so now time to stick it in. Alright guys, so now we're gonna pull that one out and then push this one in. That's like a hard, yeah. That sucker hard, yo. So now I'm thinking the bigger one was probably for bigger holes. I might be messed up with that one because it's not going in. Oh, that hard. That hard. Yeah, that hard. I don't want to mess that up. I guess I should have put I should have put a small one. Whew. It's not going in, guys. Golly. Alright guys, I think this is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to try to put it out, but I think this should be it. I don't hear no noise, no hair coming out, none of that. And then I can tell you that about half of this thing where I'm touching at the big thing, half of it already inside, so this should be it. So now I'm gonna try to put it out and see how that thing works, guys. Bear with me. Let's try to push again. But I want to tell you this ain't no joke. Alright, so now let's put it out and see what happens. Oh shit, it's not working. It didn't work, guys. So it didn't work, so we have to try one of the small ones. It didn't work. Alright, so we gotta put that thing back in. Put that thing back in. Golly, it did not work. Waste one. So now we're gonna try the long one instead. So we get it out. Wasting. So now let's try one of the long ones. I gotta be quick with it before I lose too much hair. Alright guys, so now let's try it again. Alright. Make sure it's really in. And now we're gonna try to put it out. We're gonna try to push it out and see if it's gonna work this time. Okay? Alright. Woo! It works. It works, guys. I don't hear no hose. None of that. No hair coming out. It works. Alright? So now what we're going to have to do, we're going to get something to cut this. And then we're going to put some hair on it. Woo! It's working. So the thing is, the big one, it's probably for big ass hoes. Okay? But the long one is for small hoes like this. So now we're going to get something to cut it. And then we're gonna put hair on it. So now we're gonna cut it. Alright guys, this is how you plug your tire, okay? As you guys can see, no hair coming out at all. So I know I messed up on the first one, but if you guys like the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and share the video to somebody else. All right, I'm out. See you guys for another video. Peace.